Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a very special day because this is my first sponsored video. I know I'm changing. No, I'm not changing. Please. I guess I'm a real YouTuber now because I'm doing a sponsored video. If you want the real tea, I got so many requests after the iPhone unboxing to do like iPhone case reviews. I've literally gotten maybe like 20 emails and I was thinking of telling them yes and having all the cases come in and just do like an iPhone case showdown, but today's not that day. The reason I say that is because this is the first company I actually wanted to work with, so let that be a good piece of information. I don't know. So basically today I'm working with Iris Beauty. So this company actually specializes in colored contacts. They have makeup too, but today is about the contacts. I don't know if you can relate to this. A lot of brown eye people I feel like can. When you have brown eyes, you just look at other people's eyes and you're like, wow, I wish people could see my pupil. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but my eyes are super dark. I love my eyes. I'm not saying brown eyes aren't pretty. They obviously are. Look at me. I'm kidding. You want what you can't have, basically. Growing up, like, I've always wanted to try colored contacts and I never knew how. I don't know, do you go to the eye doctor? Like, I really didn't know how to do it. So when they emailed me, I was really excited because I've always wanted to see what I would look like with blue eyes or whatever the heck color. Just a few things before we actually put them on or in. I don't really know. Before we try the contacts, I just want to say they are FDA approved. They have prescription, which is great because I can't see. I've only had contacts where they're non-prescription, so this is my first time trying that. They have a bunch of different colors and they last for up to 6 months, so that's great. So just so you guys know, I actually did try these out before making this video because I wanted to give them a real test. I wore them for a full day and they were honestly great. They were really comfortable. So let's just put them on and stop wasting time. I already have contacts in. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. I'm gonna take them out, so give me a second. So they come in this box, fancy, and it tells you on the side, like the prescription and color. So I got sugar brown. I picked this color because I wanted like a grayish blue eye color. I feel like that's really hard to find in colored contacts for brown eyes. Like usually they have like a dark green or I don't know. It's hard to get like really light looking eyes. So that's why I picked this one. And this is from the Intense line. So you open it up and then here are the contacts. They look like this. So when I first saw these, I was like, wow, that looks like a pencil shaving. Like, does it not? Look at it. Hello, elementary school. This is such a cool color though, because when you look at it, it's like light brown. Like you wouldn't expect it to look like anything else. But when I put them on, they look blue. I don't know if it's just me. Okay, so here's what the contacts look like. I've gotten mixed reviews as far as like how I look in them because a lot of my friends are just used to seeing me with brown eyes. So they're like, oh my God, who is this? And then I've had people say it looks absolutely amazing. So this is what they look like. I will say like the day that I wore them all day, they felt like normal contacts. They didn't irritate my eyes or anything like that. Personally, I really like them. I love to play around with my appearance. Like I have that blonde wig that I sometimes wear. I just think it's so fun to see what you would look like with like blue eyes or whatever color you would call this. But yeah, isn't it crazy how in the actual packaging, it looks brown like that, but then on my eyes, it looks like I have blue eyes. Like, I don't know how that works, but it looks so cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know what you think of the contacts. And if you guys want to try it out, I have a promo code. Yes, I really am that YouTuber now. Should we celebrate? Like, should I make a cake? Like, I don't know. The code is just Sophia15 and I will have their website linked down below. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I know this was a short video, but I just want to say working with them has been so nice. I really like what they're doing. I like their products. They even sent me makeup, so that's cool. I've been using that, but I'll see you guys soon. I have a lot of cool videos coming in the future. That's cringy. Thank you, Iris Beauty. You're the best. Mwah.